Hello, I'm Laura Weissman, licensed marriage and family therapist in Newport Beach and founder of Psyched About Love. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the butterfly effect. Now, many of you may be much more informed and educated than I, but I'd never heard of it until I asked my son this morning, what should I talk about in my segment? And he said, butterflies. And I said, well, how do butterflies relate to relationships? Mom, I have to tell you everything. Communication is key, right? So then he proceeded to tell me about the butterfly effect, which is a principle from weather and quantum mechanics, which basically says very tiny actions have very, very significant outcomes. And I'll let you look it up on Google if you're more interested in that. But I wanted to focus on that because that absolutely does have to do with relationships. So as John Gottman points out, we have this bank account that we put positive actions into, and our appreciation and our gratitude that have to be positive statements on a scale of 5 to 1, positives of 5 to 1 negative interaction of 1, is just to keep the relationship alive and in maintenance mode. And the masters of relationships do it far more than that. And so that begins to build your bank account. And every time you turn toward your partner in their seeking of attention, whether they're doing it well or maybe not so well, but they're needing something, they're wanting something from you, and you choose to turn towards them, that's another positive that goes into the bank account. And you build that, because otherwise what happens, if you're not building with positive interactions, if you're not building by turning towards your partner, then there's this other element that he calls negative sentiment override, which means that when your partner does do something nice, good, well, attentive, exactly the things you want, it actually kind of gets absorbed into this negative sentiment override cloud, and it dissipates in this cloud of negativity, and it doesn't have any lasting effect on you. So take it from all of the experts in relationships. Everything positive that you do builds, and those positives have to far outweigh the negative, because, as Rick Hanson, a neuroscientist at UCLA, says, our brain is like Teflon for the positive and Velcro for the negative. There's very good survival reasons for that, but it just happens to be true. So to override our tendency for positivity, Teflon slides right out of our consciousness. Negativity, hold on to it like Velcro. We have to really constantly be adding to that bank account of positives every single day. Here's to great and abundant positive bank accounts. Remember, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them below, and I will definitely get back to you. Until next time, bye-bye.